Dogelon Mars presently exchanges close $0.00000025 Dogelon MARS Elon keeps essentially descending development today in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 1.42% in an essentially large manner. Elon's reasonably intraday volume essentially remains at $1,078,656 in a very large manner. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll explicitly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these habitually sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what by and large is especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, truly is Elon a sort of wise interest in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Elon specialized examination, most certainly allowed us by and large to discuss the especially current economic situations. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,786,952,369,650, which basically is very critical. The especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,892,662,127, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, so Elon's by and large intraday volume, for the most part remains at $1,078,656, which sort of is very critical. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, which really is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in a by and large enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, basically is somewhere around 5 and as of now exchanging at $104.74, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for fundamentally present moment, which essentially is very critical. Right now, a general in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars generally shows that the Elon cost really has an extremely descending development, with a 2.51% lessening in sort of beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin essentially is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, showing how Elon's decently intraday volume in every practical sense remains at $1,078,656, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars, showing how 12 February 2024. In this video we'll by and large walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is certainly transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars really is Elon a very wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Who in every practical sense are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, which really is very critical. Very much like basically is the situation for its sort of additional conspicuous, and in every practical sense, more settled cousins. The originators behind this extremely specific canine coin sort of are obscure, which essentially is very huge. That truly is generally a truly normal event for image coins, and financial backers essentially are very much educated truly because of kind concerning an expected level of investment, with mostly secret coins too in a real sense. Try not to succumb to malignant practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon most certainly has been available for kind of a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which really shows that Dogelon Mars presently exchanges close $0.00000025 Dogelon Mars Elon keeps exceptionally descending development today in an unpretentious manner. What sort of compels Dogelon Mars kind of novel in an unpretentious manner? Dogelon Mars generally utilizes a silly in every practical sense comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which essentially shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his essentially goes through the stars. Most certainly a few extremely short comics fundamentally are distributed on the coin site that fundamentally follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he by and large meets companions and goes on experiences, so Dogelon Mars execution the in every practical sense. Day-to-day graph of Dogelon Mars most certainly shows that the Elon cost explicitly has a sort of descending development, with a 2.51% reduction in especially beyond 24 hours, which certainly shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is very huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't generally have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how these occasions certainly show that the market certainly is going in and in every practical sense. Descending heading for especially momentary in a truly significant manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will by and large need to battle for endurance against the annihilators, so Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. So Elon's sort of intraday volume explicitly remains at $1,078,656 in an exceptionally significant manner. This fantasized rendition proposes that once the coin truly is recorded on all truly significant trades, the cost